Okay, welcome back to JTT Math Easier. Today we're going to be talking about, calculus 2. Today we're going to be talking about areas between between two curves. Um, the area between two curves, sorry. So this is the example. This is a little bit more difficult than the first problem. The first problem was pretty easy. So we have, this is a graph. It's not to scale, so don't be paying attention too much to the graph. But we have the first equation and second equation. I already know the endpoints because the graph that was given in textbook was a lot more clearer. So I already know the endpoints. But the endpoints for this one is -2 and 1. Those are my endpoints. And a way to figure out that if you're doing the respect to dy or dx is the way the curve is facing. Obviously, this curve is facing, it starts in the right, but it's going to the left direction. So we know this is dy. If the curve was facing, for example, this graph's going to get really dirty, like this way, that'll be dx. Or if we're going like a smiley face, it'll be dx. But since it's on its side, dy, and if it was on the other side, dy also. So the curve tells you where the respect to we're doing integration. So basically the simple integration from right to left, so you go -2 to 1 are my endpoints. And remember, if they didn't provide us with any endpoints, remember your well, they have to provide you endpoints. But let's say they didn't for some weird way, you're going to do plus C at the end, okay? Because plus C is very important. But for error, they had to provide you endpoints because obviously you're solving the inside of something, which is units, so they have to give you endpoints. But just saying, don't forget your plus C because plus C is very important and it shows that you actually know what you're doing. So we have this, and then from our right, we have 3 minus y squared minus, remember here's the minus y plus 1 dy. Okay, and then basically you do your integration. So you go -2 to 1. Actually, no. From there, this is what I'll do. 3, sorry. Oh, man, where is it? 3 minus y to the third, cubed whatever, 3, minus y squared all over 2 plus y. And then basically what you will do is put your endpoints in both, and the answer should give you 4.5 units. So that's basically how you will solve this problem. I'm not going to plug it in because it's basically plug and chug, so you guys should be able to do that. But just remember, when the curve is facing left or right, dy, if it's top or bottom, dx. Best way to find out. The curve tells you what you're going to do, and we were given the endpoints, so we didn't have to solve it. But in the next example that I'll be posting, we will not be given the endpoints, and we will have to solve it. So I'll show you how to do that too. It's relatively easy, not too difficult. So I hope this helped, and thank you for watching. Bye.